Hello, Paul here again, getting ready to saw some cants into boards. So I've got two 6-inch and one 4-inch cant. They're only 7 3/4 inches high, so I'm only going to get a few boards out of them, but just another example of how I can take and saw several cants, line them up next to each other, and turn them into boards. So hang with me, I'll be right back. So in this video, you'll notice a couple of things. One is that I changed over to the full-size Granberg mill from the small log mill. The MS 400 CM that I have in the small log mill, I really struggled to get through that, and I have an MS 661 CM in the larger mill. It's a 42-inch bar with a 48-inch mill. Did a lot better job. So you'll notice that I changed mills and saws in the middle of that. You'll also notice that the first time I passed through, I ended up making 4-inch cants and I ended up going back and sawing those into 2-inch. So I ended up with 2x4s and 2x6s. But you'll see all that, and again, I'll say thanks for watching. Okay, I'll go ahead and get the saw cranked up and get it over here, lay it out on those cants, and we'll get them cut up. Hang with me, I'll be back momentarily. I'm using the small log mill by Granberg. I have both mills, but I'm using the small log mill here. I'm using a little bit longer bar so I can get all the way through here. The small log mill is supposed to go up to 17 inches, I think, but it'll cut all these. What do we have? 12 and 4. We got 16 inches. It should do okay. We'll get her cranked up and get going here.